Plumbing!
Hi, can I help you?
Need your pipes cleaned?
Yes, our toilets are backed up.
Let's have a look at that crapper.
Yeah, come on in. It's a guest bathroom. Here's the toilet.
Yeah, looks like you've got looks like you've got the 6200 in here. Ludacris has got spinners on his, you know. Looks like you got a problem here. Time to get to work.
Getting paid to do this? Oh, no! No! That's cheap, you little glitcher. Oh, someone actually in here. Coming around with a freaking rocket launcher. No. Oh, hell nah. This girl can play. Aww.
Hey, aren't you supposed to be fixing our toilet, dude?
Yeah, man, I'll fix the toilet in a second. Let me just get this last kill in. You freaking noob! Don't you know how to play this, then? Oh, get the rollover! Get the rollover! Oh!
You're not getting away from me. Pumpkin. Oh, hello. Make sure you're dead. Dude, come on. It's time to fix my toilet, dude.
I'm like,
I gotta take a dump. I didn't pay you to play games. Come on.
the last kill, man.
Let's go.
You're not leaving until you fix this damn toilet. There's your problem.
What the hell is this? A guitar? Whew. Damn, man, that ass must be hurting.
This bill's gonna be big as shit.